Hey YouTubers, this is Stimpy Willis. I have here a 99 400 EX. I've been trying to put it back together. I got it finally put back together, but now it's not wanting to start for me. I'm having a little bit of electrical issues here, and I'm wondering if somebody out there might be able to help me. I have these two wires right here coming from the harness. I have no idea what they do, where they go to, nothing. I do have a book, but I'm not very book friendly. I'm more kind of get my hands in there and get it going. This is to my my key right here. And pretty much what the issue I'm having right now is I'm not getting any kind of neutral green light switch. Sorry about my how I'm talking. I just had some done teeth work, and because of it I'm talking kind of funny. See, this is my solenoid, however you say it. I tried to jump it from that to the front here, thinking I can bypass from the harness, because I've seen a video about it. Still no luck. I can't even get the green light to come on. I'm just hoping somebody's got some advice maybe they can help me with, and try to help me get this beast going. I got it for 400 bucks, and I really would like to get it going. I never owned a four-wheeler, and I just would like to do it. I have replaced the relay switch here. This is all brand new. I thought maybe that was the issue. So that's all new. And I got it plugged into right here, above my battery. Another issue I'm kind of concerned, or I have no idea what these do. They were left unplugged, and I don't know. I know they go to this harness here, and that harness goes all the way, I believe, up to the front. I just don't know if I need to plan to get a new wire harness and just basically start fresh, or if I need to, you know what. So I'm really kind of hoping somebody's got some answers here for me. There's the starter. But if somebody can help me here, I'd really appreciate it. See, here's the wires that go to the front. Then that's that. Again, goes to these two wires, which were cut, which I don't know really what they go to. And then I also got this. This is all part of my ignition switch, or my key switch and stuff. This is all, you see that wire right there? Right here? I don't know if I need to replace that or just put another piece on it. But it's supposed to, I believe, go into this one right here. And I got the black one right there. I've been plugging it into here. And I'm still not getting nothing on my switch. So I'm just curious, hoping somebody's got some answers or something. If somebody could please get back to me on this, I really would appreciate it. And I know I need to probably replace this too, the clutch. It's pretty stiff, but I'm just kind of trying to get it running right the second. I figured once I get it going, I can plan to what's it called? Plan to just go out and have some fun. But that's where I'm at. I appreciate it, everybody. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and hope to hear back from some people. All right. Tater late.